with another video where I show you how easy it is to turn any forex trading strategy into an automated trading system, also known as a forex robot or FOREX EA. So the past few videos, I think some of them I was just showing you and you did not even hear my voice. I just had a terrible flu in the past few days, so my voice was kind of something else. So but in any case, I believe those videos were of benefit to you because I value you guys. I enjoy making these videos for you guys. The goal of this channel is to show you that you don't need to know any programming, you don't need to pay anybody in order to turn your own strategy into a forex robot. You can simply do it by yourself, and on this channel there are many videos where I've shown you the EA builders that I use to turn my own strategies into automated trading systems. Whatever you do with those trading systems is up to you. You can sell them if they are good, if you can keep them for yourself if they are too good, and whatever you choose to do, that's up to you. But my goal with this channel is to give you an idea of the direction that you need to take if you have a good trading strategy and you are thinking of turning it into a forex robot. So let's get into today's video. So today we are going to make a MACD trading strategy with 200 EA and 17 EMA, sorry. So this is going to be a strategy based on the MACD and the moving average. I usually use FX Streamer. Today obviously I'm not going to use FX Streamer. We are going to use ForexAdvisor.com. Why do I also enjoy using this EA builder? It's for free, by the way. Is because you can actually generate EAs for MT4 and MT5 for free. MT4, MT5 for free. So let's go to MT5. Let's go to MT5. Let's just click here. So this is one thing you'll notice about this EA builder. It's for free because they've got adverts on their site. The other EA builders, you subscribe because they don't have advertising on their site. That's the main differences as well. There are some other differences, but in any case. So I'm not going to make this video very long. Let's get into it. So what we're going to be using, the required indicators is the MACD using default settings, as well as the 17 EMA exponential moving average and the 200 exponential moving average. For the buy signal, we are going to use MACD. It needs to be above the zero line. That's the zero line. I hope you can see it. That's the zero line. Let me open in a new tab. Opening in new tab. I hope is going to be, yes, now we can see it. So that's going to be a zero line, and this is going to be our moving average crosses. That's the zero line. Okay, so when MACD goes below the zero line and our moving averages crossover, that's where we take our sell. When this happens, that's where we take our buy. So just bear that in mind. Let's go back. So that's basically the gist of it. Take profit, basically aiming for what, 1:2 or 20 to 50 pips for scalping. So yeah, you decide how you want to use this robot. If you want to use it for scalping, if you want to use it for some medium term trades, maybe 1 hour, 4 hours, or swing trading, I don't know. But anyway, so let's quickly set this up because it's so simple. We don't need to spend the whole day here. So we're going to go to our EA builder today, which is ForexEATradER.com, and we are going to go to open a buy. What we need first is the MACD. That's what we have here. MACD, it needs to be crossing the zero line from below. Crossing the zero line from below. So MACD. Time frame, you can choose whatever time frame you want to use. I'll just keep it current for now, so that whatever time frame that we put the robot on, it's just going to work. MACD default settings, I think, let me just Google this. Let's just MACD default settings 12.26.9. 12.26.9. So we'll just want to set it at 12.26.9. You decide what you want to use. You can basically play along with these settings. Nobody is going to mind. Price, we're just going to use close. Mode, we are going to say let's say main. Shift, let's just use 0, and we are saying it needs to be above. It needs to be above the 0 line. So we're going to use value, and it's going to be above the 0 line. I apologize, I'm also trying to be quick because, like I told you, I've got flu, so I don't want to be sneezing and coughing right as I record this video. If I'm moving too fast, you can always rewind the video and watch it over again. Okay, so the second indicators is we need the 17 EMA to cross the 12 EMA, the 200 EMA, sorry. So we are going to find our moving averages. We need moving average 17. We are just going to keep time frame again at current, and shift, we're going to say 0. It's going to be EMA. Mode is going to be EMA. And price, we're going to use close, and we are going to use shift 0, and it needs to be above. It needs to be above. Sorry, why did this go this way? It needs to be above. It needs to be above moving average 200. And 0. Type EMA, price close, again 0. So that's basically it for opening a buy. Opening a sell, we are going to need again MACD. So for the sales, we are just going to do the opposite. It needs to be below the value, it's the 0 line. So here we said it's what, 12.26.9, I think so. 12.26.9, yes. But feel free to use your own settings there. You probably have a better MACD setting that works for you. So in any case, use what works for you. Then we're just going to put a 0 there, and we're going to add another indicator, which is our moving average crossover, and we are going to say our 17 moving average. Shift is going to be 0, type is going to be EMA, shift is going to be 0, price is going to be close. It needs to also be low. Moving average 200, shift 0, type EMA, price close 0. To close the buy, obviously to close the buy, we just need we need sell conditions to appear so that we close the buy. So we are just going to use, I think, let's just use the moving average cross. Whenever the moving average is cross, or I don't know if we're going to use the moving average cross or the, because if you enter a buy there, if you're going to use moving average cross to close out your trades, you are going to close it there. But in any case, we're going to use take profit and stop loss. So it's not going to be losing, giving back all this money back to the market. You probably are just going to be stopped out somewhere in this range there. Okay, so to close a buy. For now, let's just say if our stop loss is not hit and our take profit is not hit, we are just going to rely on a moving average. So the moment we see moving average crossing, you can choose to use the MACD in any case. You can choose to use the MACD in any case. It's up to you. So we're just going to use one condition there. The moment we see the moving averages cross, then we know let's just close that trade. And period is going to be 200. Shift 0. Type EMA price. We're going to close. Shift is going to be 0. To close a sell, we're going to use the buy condition, which is basically moving average. 17, shift 0, type EMA price. We're going to use close. Shift again, we're going to use 0, and moving average again. The moment we see this, we want to close any sell trades. Period 200. Shift 0, type EMA price, close, shift 0. Then options, where it says options, here you can set your magic number. Your magic number is useful for letting the robot identify the particular trades that it placed, so that it can manage only those particular trades. So that's the magic number. So you can set a lot size. I don't know the minimum that's allowed by your broker. For some it's 0.01, for some it's 0.1. So decide on the lot size that you are going to use. Stop loss, obviously we're just going to use the textbook, is 30 pips. And here let's try to do the 1:2, or let's just aim for 50 then. 1:2. But let's just say take profit. Okay, let's keep it 1:2. Stop loss is 30. Take profit is 60. 1:2. Trailing stop, you can use 0 to disable trailing stop, or we can set it at, let's say, 20 pips. Then it starts trailing that stop loss. Then we go to expert advisor code. This is where we're going to get our code. So here we are going to click here where it says generate MQL5 code. We just click on there. This is the code. This is the particular code. Let me just do that. This is the code that we actually generated from doing all the things that we're doing here. And if you know a little bit of meta codes language, you can actually go in here and actually do some tweaking yourself. But in any case, this has already been done for us. So we call this MACD, or let's just copy this. But I always want to give my robots fancy names. I don't know, let's call it MACD EMA. I think that's not so clever though. I don't know. MACD EMA something. You come up with your own fancy name for your own robot. Then you just go to save. I don't know what's happening with my internet. It's taking slow. Finally, the file with this code is downloaded. And how to use this MQ5 on your MetaTrader 5. There is already a video on this channel. Just look for that video. I already showed you how you can install MQ5 files into your MetaTrader 5. So that's basically it. That's basically us turning this strategy into a forex robot. into a forex robot. So yeah, subscribe, like the video. It's so easy. If you just have a trading strategy and you want to automate it, it's so easy. Watch the videos on this channel, guys. Subscribe, like the video, see the links in the description box below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.